Ever felt overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks? Like juggling a dozen balls in the air while trying to keep your sanity? We've all been there. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and productive is more important than ever. That's where tools like wrike come into play. Question: but what exactly is wrike? Is it just a to-do list app? A project management tool? Or something else entirely? Let's dive in and find out. What is wrike? Definition: wrike is a versatile cloud-based collaboration platform that helps teams of all sizes manage projects, tasks, and workflows. Core features: task management, create, assign, and track tasks, set due dates, and prioritize workloads. Project management, plan and execute projects from start to finish, including Gantt charts, timelines, and resource allocation. Collaboration, work seamlessly with colleagues, share files, and communicate in real time. Automation, streamline repetitive tasks and workflows with automation rules. Reporting, track progress, identify bottlenecks, and measure performance with customizable reports. How does wrike work? User interface. Wrike boasts a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, even for those who are new to project management tools. Customization. Users can customize their workspace to fit their team's specific needs and preferences. Integration. Wrike integrates with popular tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack, making it easy to connect with other applications. Wrike versus other tools. Comparison. Let's compare wrike to some of its competitors. Asana. Both wrike and Asana are popular project management tools, but wrike offers more advanced features like Gantt charts and time tracking. Trello. Trello is a visual Kanban-style tool that is great for simple projects, but wrike provides more robust features for complex workflows. Monday.com. Monday.com is highly customizable and offers a variety of templates, but wrike may be a better fit for teams that need more advanced reporting and automation capabilities. Who can benefit from wrike? Target audience. Wrike is suitable for a wide range of individuals and teams, including freelancers and solopreneurs. Manage projects and tasks efficiently. Small businesses. Improve team collaboration and productivity. Large enterprises. Streamline complex workflows and scale operations. Marketing and creative teams. Collaborate on projects, manage deadlines, and track progress. Software development teams. Plan and execute projects, track bugs, and manage releases. Wrike use cases. Real-world examples. Let's explore some real-world examples of how wrike can be used. Product development. Plan product roadmaps, track feature development, and manage releases. Marketing campaigns. Coordinate marketing activities, track performance, and measure ROI. Event planning. Manage event logistics, coordinate with vendors, and track attendance. Customer support. Track support tickets, assign tasks to agents, and measure response times. Key benefits of wrike. Summary. To summarize, here are some of the key benefits of using wrike. Increased productivity. Streamline workflows, reduce bottlenecks, and get more done. Improved collaboration. Work seamlessly with colleagues, share files, and communicate effectively. Enhanced visibility. Track project progress, identify risks, and make data-driven decisions. Scalability. Wrike can grow with your team and handle projects of any size. So what type of tool is wrike? It's a powerful collaboration platform that can help teams of all sizes manage projects, tasks, and workflows more efficiently. If you're looking for a tool to improve your team's productivity and collaboration, I highly recommend giving wrike a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.